Hi parents, Mr. Washam here along with
Mr. Kruger.
and we're going to draw for the TV and the Cardinal tickets. So we've got a lot of names on all these papers here. Everybody that filled out their sys data.
And I have these numbers that you'll see what happens with these in a second.
All right. Okay, here we go. No peeking. All right, lucky winner. You get your choice. You can do either the Cardinal tickets or the TV. It's your choice. Here we go. All right, I got my paper. Mr. Kruger.
Number 9.
Number 9. So my paper, I'm going down to the 9th name on here, and it is Maxton Krause. Maxton Krause. Congratulations to your parents. I'll get in touch with them. You just either got a TV or Cardinal tickets. All right, here we go. We're going to draw again for the backup. If they don't want the TV or Cardinal tickets, the other person gets the other. All right, here we go. Okay.
I have number 10.
Number 10 is Samuel Sherman. Samuel Sherman, congratulations to your parents.
Woo-hoo!
All right, you just won a TV or 4 free Cardinal tickets. All right, parents, if neither of those are claimed, we'll do it again. Hey, have a great week. Remember, no school this Friday, next Monday, and next Tuesday is a professional development day for teachers. So 4-day week this week, 3-day week next week. Everybody have a good one.